Okie Dokeys!
In this video, we'll learn how to embroider a curve onto your amigurumi to give it a smile or sleepy eyes. Start by threading a needle with black or contrasting yarn. Insert your needle into the back of the head, bringing it out where you want the smile or eye curve to begin. Leave a little tail out. Now there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can either do it in short little stitches all the way across, but a little bit easier way to do this, take your yarn and just go straight across, stick it back in, bringing the needle back out, kind of somewhere in the middle. Now obviously this just gives us a straight line, and we don't want a straight line for our projects. So what we're going to do is loop the yarn needle underneath this thing of yarn, pulling it tight, and then we're going to insert our needle back in to that same hole that we put it through a second ago, and bring it back out to the back of the head. Next, just kind of adjust the stuffing because it'll get a little messed up, and make sure you pull that kind of stitch nice and tight right there. And now you have a slight little curve. Perfect for creating a smile, sleepy eyes, or anything that you need a little curve for. To finish it off, take the yarn tails, tie a really small knot, because it came out of the same hole, so it'll hide the knot. And then you're going to weave in those yarn tails. Cut them off. Tuck it in to finish it off. And you're done. Now he has a little smile.